Hello guys, I am Samarth welcoming you all in my first video of Only Technology. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on our PC or laptop. Okay, so what's Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is one of the most powerful code or text editor and it is used by many programmers. And as I said in my channel trailer that I'm gonna make and upload coding or programming videos too. So VS Code is going to help us in a whole journey. So let's begin. Alright, first head to of your favorite browser and then just type in Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the first search result, that's Visual Studio Code. You just need to click on that and okay, let the site completely load. Okay, so after the page has been loaded, here you can see the first website, that's download Visual Studio Code. You just need to click on that website. Operating systems that Windows, Linux or Mac OS. You just need to click on the button that states your operating system. Here you can see the download, it will download automatically. Here I am on Windows, so I'm just going to click on Windows button and you just need to locate where you want to save the installer and just click on save. Alright, so let's wait for a while until the installer gets completely downloaded. You click on the exe file and it will bring you to another tab that shows you setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Here you just need to click on I accept the agreement so that it can proceed to install the Visual Studio Code, and you just need to click on the next button. Again click on next button, let the defaults be the same. Here you just need to tick the create a desktop icon box, then click on next and then click on install. Okay, so the Visual Studio Code is in installing. Let's wait for a while until it installs. Okay, alright, so finally it has been installed. Let me just untick the Visual Studio Code. Alright, let's launch the Visual Studio Code. And so finally you can see that our Visual Studio Code has been finally installed onto our desktop. So here you just need to connect your internet to load the whole interface completely, and here you can see the interface has been loaded. Learn the fundamentals, that's the basic interface. Here you can see different tabs, that's run and debug, source and control, search, etc. Here you can see different extensions into the marketplace of Visual Studio. Code. Here you can see the interface and here you can search for Python. See here you have different results for Python. Here are different results, but I will just recommend you install the first one. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope it proved to be informative for you as I showed you how to install VS Code in a safe manner. Fine then, I'll meet you in my next tech related video. Till then, I wave you a goodbye.